Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change bio on Telegram. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app. Once you do that, just go to your top left corner where you'll find these three lines and then go to settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll be finding this bio option. Now just go over here and you can change your bio from here like this, and just press on tick, and then this is how you do it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.